So today I am installing a screen protector. Got instructions. Got screen cleaning mode. Got the frame here. Alcohol wipe. Gonna clean it real good. Wipe her down. And then put on the screen protector. Let's see what that looks like here. Right in there. So, gonna be fun. Probably not a bad idea for anyone that has a screen this big and kids. So, anyways, peace, cheers, and I think I got a video in the editing room coming with some cool new drone clips that I got. So, yeah, hope everyone's doing great out there, and let's go Tesla. Peace.